Hello people of the internet, DedZed here, and I want to make sure that physics isn't always on. Right now, if I go into play or load this avatar into a world, I'm going to wibble everywhere. I don't want to do that. I want to toggle it on and off. So I'm going to create an animation clip called PhysBones. With this, I'm going to find where I put the bones. I'm just going to toggle it off. That's that. The animation's there. PhysBone. It's made. With this, I'm just going to create another toggle. Now I'm just going to call it PhysBones. I'm going to add an animation clip. PhysBones. I'm going to go into playtest. Kind of, it flops around already. Right, no, it shouldn't have actually done that. Maybe 5, did I do it wrong? Yes, I did it wrong. We're going to set this to a value of 1. And its default's going to be off. Now when I go in and test it, get the gesture manager, go to scenes, we have the model. And in here, obviously we have our color system. The RGB kind of broke on us earlier on. And then we have an option called PhysBones, which toggle on and off. So maybe you want to look around normal. You want to kind of strut your stuff and just walk down the world as you would normally. But maybe on times you see that one friend and you just want to go, "Hey bro, green cheese." Under terms, that's just using animations to just simply toggle PhysBones on and off. You can toggle off jiggle physics. You can toggle off your hair, kind of bouncing in your face constantly. You can just mess around with your model more and more. So hopefully that helps you deal with your thoughts and process on how you don't want something always on, but maybe on the off chance it would be funny. PhysBones animation clip. So hopefully that helps you guys, and I'll catch you all again very, very soon. Bye-bye!